Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making red velvet brownies using box cake mix. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have everything we'll need for the red velvet brownies. Up first, we have a box of Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Red Velvet Cake Mix. We also have some vegetable oil, eggs, vanilla extract, and we also have some white chocolate chips. I will have the recipe to include all the exact measurements down below in the description box of this video. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Here we have the bowl that we're going to use to mix everything together. We're going to start by adding the cake mix. Now we're going to go in with the vegetable oil. Here we have the eggs. Now we're going to go in and add the vanilla extract. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and mix these ingredients until well combined. Once we've mixed everything in well, at that point, we'll go in and add our white chocolate chips. Now we're going to go in with the white chocolate chips, and we're just going to mix long enough to make sure they're well incorporated with the brownie mixture. Now that our batter is all done, let me grab the dish we're going to bake the brownies in, and I'll be right back. Here we have the dish that we're going to use to bake the brownies. First, I'm going to start by lightly spraying with Pam baking spray. Now I'm going to go and place this piece of parchment paper in the center of the pan. I'm really just doing this to make it easier to lift the brownies out of the pan once they've baked and cooled. Now we're going to go in and evenly spread the brownie batter into the dish. So here's a quick close-up of the batter before we place it into the oven. Again, the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to bake these anywhere from 25 to 35 minutes, but as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. Here are the brownies after 35 minutes in the oven. I'm going to let this hang out in the pan for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll remove it and place it directly on top of a cooling rack to finish cooling. But in the meantime, we'll go ahead and get started on the glaze. Now we're going to make the glaze. So in my glass, I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. To that, I'll add a splash of vanilla extract and heavy whipping cream. I really don't measure when I make the glaze. I just gradually add heavy whipping cream, stir, and continue to do so until I reach my desired consistency. So that's pretty much the way that I make it every single time. So again, just gradually add, mix until you reach the consistency you want. If you just so happen to add too much heavy whipping cream, you can go back and add some more powdered sugar to thicken it up to your liking. So I wanted a nice thick glaze, and this is the perfect consistency. So I'm going to stir just a little bit longer to work out all of the lumps, and then our glaze will be complete. So I did place the brownies in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to help speed up the cooling process. Now they are completely cooled, so I'm going to grab the knife so we can go ahead and slice them. Now that the brownies have been sliced, I'm going to go ahead and drizzle the glaze on top. I will not use all of this glaze for this recipe, but I will save it for a recipe that I have coming up next. We've made it to the end of the video. Here we have our finished product, our red velvet brownies made with box cake mix. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.